Welcome to the Crypto Nest. So I do have some alarms just that pop up now. What is it? What is it? All right, so let me go on the 4 hours. All right, fetch. You see, I could have made a video. I could have not make a video. Would have make a difference because I'm saying the same things. So see, we have the downtrend here in the red, uptrend in green, and price is bouncing between. So between, until it doesn't do anything else than being trapped from between those two trends, nothing to say. Agix, well, pretty much the same. The only thing I can do now, it's I can erase this trend. That's about it. Everything I said before applies. Price is struggling between those two trends. Let's see which one is going to break. There you go. What else now? So did that avalanche. Avalanche. Okay, avalanche. It's a little bit. Okay, let's compare with fetch. So price is still going upward, slightly. Avalanche, about the same, right? The only thing is we are below the MA 50. We have a very nice levels here, as you can see. So this is why price is kind of holding for a moment. Is it going to continue? Is it going to go lower? Well, stay tuned. But nothing crazy. And let me just scale back a little bit. Okay, so where are my my waves? Okay, wave 3. So A overshooting wave B and wave C. Is the wave C finished? This is the question now. Because if we go lower, because this, I mean, it shouldn't go lower than that, right? If it does, sorry, still got a little bit of leftover of that call I catch last week. So now the problem that I have is like, if we lose the 0.618, then it starts to be unreliable, and then my goodness, then it's going to be crazy, because then I will have to change my count, and I will have to say, let me see if it works. So just check it in now. This is a B, and a C for the wave 1. This was kind of a ABC for the wave 2, or this was just yeah, ABC for A, this is ABC for B, and now we're doing the C, which could be 1, 2, 3, and then A, B, C for 4, and we're going to do the 5, right? So this is why I did put the 0.786, because we have the possibility of this being just a 1, and all this is the 2. And yeah, so now am I expecting Avalanche to go to $21? No. Do I have orders about $22.50 and $24 and $27? Totally. Oh yeah. This level here, 27. So I have an order at 27.50 to scoop it up if he ever goes there. I honestly don't believe it's going to go there, but let's see. Never challenge the market. Always be prepared. Now, PYTH, it's a long time I didn't follow it. Now it starts to be, I don't want to say start to piss me off, but yeah, start to piss me off. So I had a more bullish count, honestly. I won 2, and then, but now this is invalidated. So one thing I can do now is, this is a bigger chunk of the wave 1, a messy one, and the wave 2 is going to be here. So now my invalidation point, where everything is going to collapse, pretty much below 33 cents, honestly. And yeah, so once again, we don't want a coin or a stock to go below the 0.786, but this is its first time, and often they do go and visit the 0.886, but that's a dangerous level, right? And do we have a big support here? I mean, after that, if we fail to that, then Actually, let me put the VRVP. So VRVP says here it's a strong level. So if we lose the 0.76 for a while, then yeah, it's 33.7. It's a level where it should hold, but then if we lose it, hello, 24 cents. All right, so this is for PYTH. Now Arbitrum, I have plenty of orders already, but none got triggered because price it's not going lower. And once again, trends work until they don't. Now here we did broke it. Actually, let me take out this one because it's a little bit annoying now. And actually, let me put it back. What was that? I think it was calculating. Yes, if this is wave 1, right? This is the A overshooting wave B and a C. And so let me move it a little bit on the side. And let's see if I add the 618 for sure not. 1.382, is it there? I keep saying I need to add them and then I don't. 382. So where is the 1.382? I didn't click on it. All right, mixing a pot, make a difference. 1.382. Can we go lower? Honestly, we did reach the 1-to-1 ratio, so it's a bit a stretch, but yeah, honestly, it could make it. It could do it. Let's see. But it did reach the 1-to-1 ratio, and now it's kind of reacting to that level, right? So let's see if he holds or if he goes lower. If he goes lower, well, once again, let me put it more on the side. So 36.18 is another level, and 36.42 it's this potential area, beginning of the area of this one too, right? So usually when we have 5-way up and we have the A wave, it does go to the 0.382, which it did. Now we did the overshooting wave B. So now it's honestly mixed feeling, but if we lose the, if we start to go lower, I honestly believe that we're going, I would like to check the 1.618, honestly. I don't know why I took it out. I do believe that if price doesn't hold this level, we're going to go, well, first of all, because the 0.5 would be an amazing entry. Also coincide with the 1.618 wave A, wave C, and MA50 and 0.5 fibs. So, I mean, amazing. Am I expecting that though? That is going to happen? I don't think so. Let me take out these ones though, so it's a clearer chart. So that's what I'm looking now. Render, yeah, this was a nice entry point. Once again, for me it's too pricey. I got some at between 3 and 4 dollars. I got more at 6. So for me to buy them at 10, it's not worth it. I got some at yeah, here was I think 960, 965, something like that. So to me, render it is attractive if it goes back to those levels. I mean, anything below 10 now, it's okay for me to scoop up a little bit more, but higher than that, for me in my case, it's not worth it. Also, let's notice that we have 4 waves, and then possibly this, I mean, technically it could be the 5th wave, but it's a little bit it's not that sexy as a chart for a 5th wave. And I am expecting, yeah, the 5th wave to go higher. And well, this is micro counting, okay? So let's just zoom out a little bit. So just to follow the yellow count, 1, 2, 3. So when I did the fib extension, we did reach yeah, the 2.618 first of all for the 3rd wave. So now I'm looking for maybe $22 for this fifth wave. So those are my projection now. Actually, to be fair, anywhere between I mean 18 to 22, it's a valid target for the fifth wave. So by doing micro counting, we can count 4 waves. I believe this is the fifth. The fifth one should go around $13-14. That would just complete the wave 1 in blue, and then after that we're going to do the 3, 4, 5 to complete the final fifth wave in yellow. Hopefully this is clear enough. Now Bitcoin. Honestly, yesterday Bitcoin, I did see Bitcoin like taking a dump. Is it? Actually, no. Well, yeah, it did go lower, but then after, I don't know what the hell happened. And then, or I was dreaming. Yeah, it did take a dump 2 days ago, I guess. Was it? That's Friday. And then, I don't know why. After yesterday, I saw the altcoins reacting poorly. I mean, fetch. What caused that? I have no idea. Ethereum also, it's been a long time I didn't make a follow-up. So 11 minutes video. Let me try to be maybe faster a little bit, but alright, so we are at the merge now. This is the 0.618 of this third wave movement. So fourth wave cannot afford to go much lower, otherwise get invalidated. Can we wick down momentarily out from the 0.618? Touch the MA200? Absolutely. Can we do the same thing as Bitcoin and wick momentarily, touch the MA200? Here we have a support level, so that's we're talking about 52k. Is it possible? Totally, yeah. Am I going to be a buyer if that happen? Oh shit, yes. I mean, I have so many orders in the altcoins that didn't get triggered because my orders are so low. Maybe I'm going to reach them there. Now PYTH, a little bit of a problem now. We are borderline to get into trouble. This is a new coin, so often they do go to the 0.886. This is going to be a very nice accumulation level for me. I did get some, I think below 20 cents, so for me it's okay. And yeah, if it goes below 21.7, if we're beating up this lower low, then I have no idea how low is going to go. So time to get out, maybe scoop back in. But so that's crazy, right? That's why altcoins are nice, but it's important to take profits when you're making 100%, 200%. Take out some from the market. I did, and I'm ready to reinvest if I like what I'm seeing, though not at this price. Did I do arbitration? Sorry, still my cough. Arweave, yeah, didn't do much, right? It did quite. It did do a little bit of a dump, but not really something crazy. So for me, not interesting that level. If it goes to below $35, I am a buyer. Now, this week, what do we have? Well, inflation expectation. That's New Zealand. Ah man, I forgot to take out the filters. All right, so every time I forget. Okay, so Tuesday, core PPI. And after that, on Wednesday, the core CPI. And then on Thursday, unemployment. So this is going to be an interesting week. Funding rate, how's it going? Well, amazing, because everything is green, everybody's scared, and we like it. Fear and greed, I'm pretty sure, yeah, neutral, 51. There you go. Fed watch, well, this is kind of a stretch. The next FOMC meeting is in 30 days. And what's the tendency now? Every time I have trouble to remember how to read this thing. So 91.1% believe that it's going to stay like that, and well, 9% that they're going to start to lower. All right, and yeah, I think that's pretty much all for today videos. I think I wanted to do a video on something, but now I forgot. So, and not necessarily have time today. Anyway, we will see. Now, well, I guess this is pretty much all for today. If you have any other question or any other question, any question, please drop them down. If I have time, actually, I will try to make time to answer them. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And have a good day.